Hello from SeaWorld. We are here today. We are here right when the park opens at 9 a.m. and we are going to ride as many things as we can today. So let's go ahead and get started with Manta. Last We're on Infinity Falls. Oh yeah, my back is soaked.
Shoes get soaked. Shoes get soaked.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Getting on journey to Atlantis. You don't want to feel it at all. It's time to get cracking. 5 minutes. And we have express today. Second row. Second row on Kraken. Am I riding, Alright, this is going to be my very first time riding Icebreaker. It goes forwards and then back and then forwards again. So, truthfully, I'm scared about this. But Nadia wanted to ride it. They're letting her ride it. She's 48 inches. We're doing it.
Yeah.
We're in the next to the back row.
Here we go.
Oh! Here they come. We are going back over to Pipeline to ride. It is open back up now for people on it. So it'll be the last ride we haven't ridden today.
When your surfboard hits the shore, lift your harness above your head. You can't step out of your seat and off of the surfboard. Have a nugget take here at SeaWorld.
Row 4. Are you ready for this? Our very first standing roller coaster. I love you. My finger's on the floor! That was fun. Did you like that? Owen's like in shock. What do you think, bud? He's like, where am I? What's going on? I want to do that again. Nadia and the great white shark. Oh, look how cool that is. Diving with the sharks. I've never seen that there. That's pretty cool. Wonder how much that experience is. Hey, that's nice.
Turning cats.
Oh, that's oh, yes, they just swim around, they don't bite. You love them. Let's find the sharks. Let's find the little shark, please.
And continue moving forward.
Alright, today we are going to eat at Voyagers. We've never ate at this restaurant before, so let's see what they have. Alright, so here are the prices for the kids' meals. They're $10 for chicken nuggets, mac and cheese, and the Uncrustables. Looks like you get 4 chicken nuggets here and fries or your choice of baby carrots. They also have salad and some hot sides, some entrees. Gonna cost you about $23 each. Alright, so I got a chicken wrap with some cheese and some dressing. It came with 2 oranges, and the kids got some chicken nuggets and french fries. We got a side of mac and cheese, here it is, overflowing, and some cheesecake. Just make sure you double check the prices because they did charge us like $7 for these little tiny oranges. So each, yeah. Like, I don't want to pay $7 for one, and then there was 2 of them. So yeah, they came together. It was as a meal, but she charged us for both of them $7 for each orange. And we're like, no. So double check the prices when you go through here. All right, let's see how good everything is. All right, honest food review. What did you guys think of your food?
Mac and cheese was actually really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. If you like Golden Corral mac and cheese like me, that's what it tasted like. Golden Corral mac and cheese.
Was the chicken nuggets good, Owen?
It's like McDonald's.
Think it tastes like McDonald's chicken nuggets? Were the French fries good? Yeah? Brandon didn't think they were all cooked. All the French fries were all very well cooked. Nadia had the chicken nuggets and French fries also. She didn't like the French fries. And I got the chicken wrap and it was soggy. It was just completely nasty sogginess. Yeah, I did not like it. We are done with the meal now though, and we're gonna go ride on some more rides. So let's hop to it. Feeding the Baluga Whale. Look at that one right there. There's the sea turtle. He's just sitting there, isn't he? And there's a big fella over there. Whoa! Wow. Here's the manatee. Oh, is that a catfish?
Yes.
One like disappeared. There they are. There's a dolphin. Oh my. Oh.
No, that's how they do. Yeah, that's how they do.
Yeah, we don't have any food.
Oh, there they go. Wow, that was fast. I'm coming. Okay, let's go, guys.
We had an excellent time at SeaWorld today. I think you can tell by how crazy my hair is at the end of the evening now. We had a great time. We rode rides that we have never ridden before, and we loved them. We loved the new roller coaster pipeline. We rode it twice. It was so much fun. And then we also rode Icebreaker for the first time. Loved it. Nadia was even able to ride it. She loved it. She wanted to ride it twice, and we did. We had a great time at SeaWorld riding all kinds of coasters. And we did get Express today, but it really wasn't too bad. Like, you could have done without the Express today. We had an excellent time. We saw the Orcas show as well. Thank you so much for watching, and now it's your family time. Bye!